Number 1. Droll Yankees 15-inch or 18-inch Onyx mixed seed tube bird feeder with removable base. Of all the models we tested, the Onyx was the sturdiest and best built bird feeder we came across. It has tough metal components that secure tightly to the body of the feeder. The Onyx is also versatile enough to hold several different feed types and comes backed by a lifetime guarantee against squirrel damage. Most important, in including a removable base for easy cleaning and roomy perches, Droll Yankees has designed it with a bird's health in mind. We tested both the 18-inch and 15-inch versions of Droll Yankees' full seed feeder. We think most people should pay extra for the larger version, as we like how the removable base makes cleaning easier. But if it's unavailable, you won't regret choosing the smaller feeder. If you want to see the fullest variety of birds in your outdoor space, you need a few different feeders. If I could have a full quiver of bird feeders to ensure the widest avian population in my garden, I'd also include the following 3. Number 2. Droll Yankees Onyx Clever Clean Finch Magnet. If you want to draw finches, we recommend the Droll Yankees Onyx Clever Clean Finch Magnet. It's part of the same line as our top pick, but instead of perches it has diamond-shaped mesh for finches to grab hold of and peck through. Number 3. Aspects 367 Humsinger Ultra. For a simple nectar feeder, it's hard to beat the Aspects 367 Humsinger Ultra. It's usually under $20, and it comes extremely well reviewed. A built-in ant moat keeps those critters out. The Humsinger is made of 2 plastic halves that come apart easily but are strong enough together to create a solid bird feeder. The easy disassembly also makes this model extremely easy to clean. Reviewers give it high marks for its moat and its slim feeder port design, which together help to keep ants and wasps away from the syrup inside. In our tests, the Humsinger was easy to fill and simple to maintain. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 4. Wild Birds Unlimited Eco Tough Tail Prop Suet Feeder. For high-calorie winter feeding, we recommend the Wild Birds Unlimited Eco Tough Tail Prop Suet Feeder. This feeder is made from strong post-consumer plastic recycled milk jugs. Although cheaper suet feeders are available, we like the EcoTough's built-in tail prop, which allows birds such as woodpeckers to feed in a more natural manner.